If your Insignia TV is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you're not alone, and the good news is this is usually very easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions that actually work so you can get your TV back online fast. Step 1. Restart TV and router. Start with a full power restart because small glitches often block Wi-Fi connections. Turn off your Insignia TV, unplug it from the wall, and wait at least 1 minute. Do the same with your router and modem. Plug everything back in, let the internet fully reconnect, then turn on your TV and try connecting again. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi signal. Weak signals are a very common reason your TV won't connect. If your router is far away or blocked by walls, the connection can fail. Move your router closer to the TV or remove obstacles between them. You can also test by placing your phone near the TV. If Wi-Fi is weak there, that's likely the problem. Step 3. Check network settings. Open your TV's network settings and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Also check that your network name is visible. If your router has advanced settings like MAC address filtering, it might block your TV from connecting, so you may need to disable that or add your TV manually. Step 4. Switch Wi-Fi band. If you're using a dual band router, try switching from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band is faster but has shorter range, while 2.4 GHz is more stable and works better through walls. Many Insignia TVs connect more reliably on 2.4 GHz networks. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the connection still fails, reset your TV's network settings. Go to Settings, find Network, and select Reset Network. This clears any corrupted or stuck configurations. After resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi like you're setting it up for the first time. Step 6. Update TV software. Outdated software can cause connection issues. Go to Settings, then About or System, and check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your TV. Updated software improves compatibility with modern routers and fixes known bugs. Step 7. Use Ethernet cable. Try connecting your TV directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. If the internet works this way, your TV is fine and the issue is related to Wi-Fi signal or settings. This is also a good temporary fix if you need a stable connection quickly. Step 8. Factory reset TV. If nothing works, perform a full factory reset. Go to Settings and choose Reset to Factory Defaults. This removes all data and settings, including hidden bugs causing the issue. After the reset, set up your TV again and reconnect to Wi-Fi.